So we've been combating some invasive species for a long time. And I was walking outside in our wild patch and Sericea lespedeza decided to pop up. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray him a lot. If we get some natives, well, we're gonna have to take some for the team. See if there's more. I know there is some Korean lespedeza. We do not want this one. Oh, and we have some Japanese stiltgrass. This one is an annual. Okay, there's a lot. I'm gonna actually have to thoroughly do this one. Stay updated. Ah, there's more. It's the beefsteak plant. Spray, spray. Actually, wait, I can probably pull these ones up. Now, places are like this is where you need a spray, where there's a whole bunch. And what do you know? There's more Japanese stiltgrass.